Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we are going to talk about how to do small talk. If you don't know what small talk is, it is basically how to have a simple conversation about daily life. Some people say that they don't like small talk, but if you never learn how to do small talk, it will not be easy to make new friends or to meet a husband or wife in your future. So, I think that it is an important skill to have. Let's start by talking about small talk about the weather. People often talk about how good or how bad the weather is. Here in Vietnam, the summers are very hot. So let's talk about hot days first. If it is a very hot day, we can say things like this. It's scorching today. Scorching comes from the word scorch. That word means burning something. So if it is scorching, we mean that the sun is so hot that it is burning us. Let's say it together. It's scorching today. If I were to speak more quickly, I would say it like this. It's scorching today, like that. If you say that, the other person will probably agree and say something that also means that it is hot today. Another phrase is this. It's as hot as an oven today. Let's practice saying that together. It's as hot as an oven today. And now, faster. It's as hot as an oven today. And even faster, it's as hot as an oven today. Like that. Next, let's talk about what we can say if the weather is nice. On a nice day, it's not too hot and not too cold, and it's not too windy either. On nice days like those, we can say, today is so nice outside. Let's say it a little bit faster. Today is so nice outside. And a little bit faster. Today is so nice outside. Like that. We can also say, I love today's weather. A little bit faster. I love today's weather. And even faster. I love today's weather. Like that. Now, let's talk about cold days. In Vietnam, it does get cold, but I grew up in a much colder place in America. That place is called Colorado. Here it is on the map. In Colorado, in the winter, it sometimes was as cold as negative 20 degrees Celsius, or about negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit. That was very cold. On cold and snowy days like those, we can say, it's freezing today. Let's say it again, but a little bit faster. It's freezing today. And now, faster, it's freezing today. Like that. We can also say a simpler phrase. We can say, it's so cold today. Let's say it faster. It's so cold today. And faster. It's so cold today. Like that. If a day is too windy, we can say this. I feel like I'm going to get blown away. It's a joke, so it will make people laugh a little bit. Let's say it faster. I feel like I'm going to get blown away. And now, faster. I feel like I'm going to get blown away. Like that. Finally, if it is raining a lot, we can say another joke. We can say, I feel like I'm swimming outside. We are not swimming, but because there is so much rain, it's a funny thing to imagine. Let's say it a little bit faster. I feel like I'm swimming outside. One more time, even faster. I feel like I'm swimming outside. Like that. Before I end this video, let's talk about how to say a difficult word from the video. Let's talk about the word scorching. When we say that word, we need to be careful at the beginning because there are two sounds that are very close to each other. Sk, 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 scorching, scorching. Also, the O in that word makes the sound O, like that. O. We need a O circle with our lips. Let's say that word 3 times. Scorching, scorching, scorching. That is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.